So I'm just going to dot it all up. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
We're in the season of fall, which is very exciting. And so today we're going to make something that is looks like the leaves have changed colors in the trees. It's very fun and things that you probably can just find around your house. So this is a piece of cardboard that I painted, and then sticks and more paint. So I'll show you what we did. Here's my piece of cardboard that I just painted. So I went with a blue sky and green on the bottom. And then I went outside and I found a bunch of sticks. Some of them might be too long, so I can just break them like that. And then I'll figure out, I'm going to turn it this way though so I can see where I'm going to have my trees. And then I'm going to glue them down. You could use hot glue or school glue. Today I'm going to use tacky glue. So let's see if this glue is working for us. That's great. Here's another tree. You could have as many trees as you want, but I decided 4. Okay, so to do the leaves, we are using Q-tips or cotton swabs, depends on what kind you have, to dip into the paint. I have a little bit of red. And then we have some yellow. And then I grabbed orange acrylic because that was easy to grab. Now I'm going to take my Q-tips. Now one thing you could do is do them all at the same time, but I think that is a little bit complicated. So I'm just going to start dabbing all over. Like, you know, it's going to look tree-ish, right? Because it's not necessarily like a perfect representation of a tree. So I'm just going to dot it all up, and then I'm also going to throw some down on the grass.
Oh, because the leaves might fall from the trees?
I think that's where we get that name, fall, right? Okay, now last is yellow. Now I'm going to do the triple up one because this is taking a long time. So I'm going to get some red, some orange, and some yellow, and I can mush them together. And try and fill these in more and more and more. I think I'll just keep working on it. I'm going to do that. I won't keep you all, but imagine when you're all done, you could put this somewhere in your house and you can hang it up and have it for the fall.
Sign your name on the bottom.
Oh my gosh. Do we have a Sharpie?
We do, right here.
We should always sign our names. I usually just put my initials.
Ooh.
So mine says MKM for my initials. Right down there.
Oh, that's
so you'd
really
know. Okay, so try this out. If you do it, would you send us a picture? You could put it on Instagram and then tag us with Alameda Arts Fun so we could find it. We'd love to see your work. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for coming. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, friends.